Hi folks, welcome back for another exciting video. So today I'll show you how to replace the battery in this Kawasaki Ninja 300. So I think this is the third time I'm replacing the battery, and this is the first time I'm going to do it all myself. So let's get straight into the video. So the following tools are needed for it: a 4mm Allen key, a 6mm Allen key, and a star screw. So the Ninja 300, the battery is present right under the rider seat. So first you have to remove the rider seat, for which you need to remove this panel. So you'll be needing the 4mm Allen key to remove this panel. First remove the screws. Be careful not to lose the screws or the washer. And then there are 4 locks present in this panel: here, 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 and one right here. So while removing this panel, be careful that you don't break the locks inside. The locks are present inside. Just press the locks, and then you can simply remove the panel just like that. Now do that on the other side also. Up next, you have to remove the seat, for which you need to locate the screw right under the seat. You need the 5mm Allen key to remove this bolt. Be careful not to lose this bolt also. These bolts are pretty small. And now repeat that on the other side also. After that, you can remove the seat simply just by lifting it, and the battery is present just under the seat. So this is after the battery has been completely discharged. Initially there was some flicker, but now I can hear some noises from inside, and I can see the tachometer dangling here and there, but there is no life. That's it. So this is how it looks like. After removing the seat, you can see the fuse box sitting over the battery. So there is a screw given there. You have to remove that screw first. Now you can simply lift off the fuse box over the battery. And there you can see the battery. This is my old battery, and the battery is fastened by a screw there. You have to remove that screw also. So here we can see both the terminals of the battery. The one with the red color cover is the positive terminal, and the other one is the negative terminal. So while removing a battery, always keep in mind you should first remove the negative terminal and then the positive terminal. Just move the terminals aside, and then you can just simply lift off the battery from its seating. So I was using the Amaron battery. This is my old Amaron battery, and I have purchased a fresh Amaron battery. So this is the new battery. It's a 8 ampere 12 volt battery. Now let us see how to fit the battery inside the motorcycle. So there will be 2 locks like this given inside the battery's cover. So before mounting the battery, make sure you keep it like this in the battery terminal, else the screw won't lock the battery tightly. So after seating the battery inside, make sure you connect the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal. The positive terminal has been connected now. Yes, now the battery is set. Now you can rest the fuse box over the battery and fasten it with the screw provided. Now we have to refit the seats. So while refitting the seats, make sure that there are two locks provided here, and these two locks should seat inside these holes. Now you can tighten the seats with the screw provided. Now repeat it on the other side. Now the seat is set in place, and now you have to just fit the panel. Just press it to put it in the lock, and then you have to just tighten the screw. Repeat the same on the other side, and it is over. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.